How to change language in Strava app. So in this video, I'll show you how you can change language on Strava app. So technically, you can change the language in Strava app by adjusting your phone system's language. So Strava automatically matches the app language to your device settings. So go ahead and open your settings on your device. And then once you're on the settings, go ahead and look for language and input. So use the search bar to make it easier for you to look for this section. So simply search for language and input into the search bar. So once you find the language and input, go ahead and click on it from the results. And then from here, go ahead and click on languages. And then on the languages, go ahead and select the language that you want to use for Strava and then save it. So once you restart your device and reopen the Strava app, you'll be able to find your Strava app displaying the same language as your device's language. And that is how you can basically change language in Strava.